Despite of many achievements, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan has many controversies which surrounds him. In those controversies, the main things are: first one, he is accused of Kerala's first political murder case of Odikkal Ramakrishnan, who was killed by axe on 1969. Due to this, many riots have been developed in Kerala between RSS and CPI workers. And then SNC controversy in which Vijayan, for the repair of three generators, he has done a deal of 375 crores with a Canadian industry. This was the biggest scam during those days. In 2007, Kerala High Court ordered CBI inquiry on Mr. Vijayan, and after some years, CBI has cleared the name of Vijayan from the investigation. Then after that, 16th February 2007, airport security in Chennai recovered 5 bullets from the Vijayan baggage. They have recovered 5 bullets which were carrying by Vijayan in his bag. So this is also one of the controversy during those days. And on 16th October 2007, the Pinarayi called a bishop a wretched creature. He said, "A lie is a lie. It is uttered by a bishop. It does not become a holy lie." So, with this statement, the whole Catholic Union has raised against Vijayan. When Catholic community closed all the educational institutions because of his comments on Catholic bishop. After that, in 2020, his name was announced in Kerala gold smuggling case, in which Mr. M. Shivashankar, Principal Secretary of that government, has been suspended in this case. So these are the main controversies which are surrounded this Vijayan, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Time will be having heads and tails. Every issue will be having pros and cons, and every human being will be having a positive side and a negative side. So despite of all these things, Pinarayi Vijayan is the only chief minister who has elected for the second time in Kerala. So this is about Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. So subscribe to my channel for more and more informative videos, and encourage me in doing this type of videos for providing information. Thank you.